Assalamualaikum and hi everybody. Now we are going to do intensive practice 7.1 question 2. Let me read the question. If the point R63 divide the line segment from P, which is 4, 5 to Q, which is XY in the ratio 2 to 5, find the coordinate of Q and B coordinate of the midpoint of PQ. Okay, let's sketch the graph. I have already done it actually. For P will be connecting to Q. Why I draw a straight line like that? Because I estimate that from P to R. Okay, from R to Q. Okay, and then it says here R divide the line segment from P to Q in ratio 2 to 5. So P to R will be 2 parts and R to Q will be 5 parts. Okay, so the formula for the ratio will be mx1 plus mx2 over m plus n. M and n will be ratio accordingly. So m will be 2, n will be 5. So why not the other way? Actually, it's better for you to write down according to which comes first. So this one, if you label with y1 and x1 and y1, and q will be x2 and y2. So coordinate of R will be the coordinates here. Okay, so in this case, we have the xy at the end here, and then we do not have x2 and y2 in the formula. So anyway, the ratio will be 2 plus 5. 5 times x1. x1 will be 4 plus 2 times x2, which we do not know. So label with x2. Similarly, we have 2 plus 5 again. 5 times y1, which is 5, plus 2 times y2. Okay, so in this case, when we have the coordinate in between, okay, so we are going to have to solve the equation. Okay, so we take this first x. So 5 times 4, 20. 20 plus 2x over 7 equals 6. So x equals x. And we can solve this, cross multiply. So we have 20 plus 2x will be 42. And then 42 minus 20. So the value of 2x will be 22. So x will be 22 over 2, which is 11. Now we solve the y. We have here 25 plus 2y over 7 equals to 3. So 7 times 3 will be 21. So 25 plus 2y equals to 21. Then 21 minus 25. So 2y equals to negative 4. So y will be negative 4 over 2, which is negative 2. So the coordinate of Q will be 11, negative 2. 11, and B. What is the question? Okay, the coordinate of midpoint of PQ. Actually, we can use this formula. M plus n will be 1 plus 1. Okay, so these all will be 1. Okay, n will be 1, m will be 1. Or the other way is that the actual midpoint formula will be x1 plus x2 over 2. Okay, so originally it will be this formula, but 1 plus 1 will be 2. 1 times x1 will be x1, then 1 times x2 will be x2. So it's easier to use the midpoint formula. So x1 plus x2 over 2, y1 plus y2 over 2. Okay, so we have the coordinate of Q and P. We want to find the midpoint. Let's say the midpoint is M. So 4 plus 11. 4 plus 11 over 2. That is for x, and then for y is 5 plus negative 2 over 2. So 4 plus 11 will be 15. 15 over 2. Either you write 15 over 2, and this one will be 3 over 2. And in this case, if let's say you want to put it in decimal, no problem. 7.5 and 1.5. Okay, hope you benefit from this class.